Uh-oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Let's fix this brightness. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're starting with a trunk check. Someone sent me this in a comment and I was like, oh, that's very interesting. Let's see what's in my trunk. It says, what's in your trunk? Do not clean anything, just show us what's in your trunk. So, let's see what's in the trunk. I honestly have no idea. Okay, we got Whole Foods. I just left Whole Foods. So, we got a scooter, of course. We got some of the new Alpha shoes. Got some more of the new Alpha shoes in size 5. Got some more shoes. Lots of shoes. So, that is my trunk check. We got lots of shoes and gym equipment. Honestly, I think the back seat's more interesting probably. Let's see, what do we got? In the back seat, we got straps. We got pre-workout that I bought and haven't opened yet. We got a gimbal. Gimbal is used for filming and basically making the shots like steady and like, I don't know, it's really cool. And we got, over here we got more straps. And we got boxing gloves. And then we got a toothbrush. That is my trunk check, guys. That's a very interesting comment. I was like, oh, interesting. I'll do a little trunk check to see what's back there. My car is not very clean, but I just got back from California, so I'm like, yeah, of course it's pretty dirty. I literally have like 20 freaking straps because you never can have too many straps when you are strapping down a trailer. You can definitely have too little straps. Every time I strap up the trailer, we always end up driving like, I don't know, like 5 miles, like especially if we're doing like cross-country trips, we'll do like 5 miles, something will come loose, then you gotta put more straps on, so you never can have enough straps. And if you guys tow shit, you guys know what I'm talking about, especially if you have an open trailer like I do. It's just a flatbed. Anyways, today we're talking a little bit more on the whole drink thing, because someone sent me a screen recording of this DeclineNow movement. I thought they died. Not died, but like I thought the DeclineNow movement was dead. I gotta be honest, I was not the biggest fan of it before, and after seeing some of these screen recordings, it doesn't really make me a fan of it now. But I mean, do people still do DeclineNow? Let me know in the comments down below. Like, personally, I'm all up for like, I'm a very pro-capitalist kind of person, you know? Just, the best will succeed, you know? If you put out a good product, you will succeed. And Doordash is working on it, but unfortunately they have the best product right now, so that's just reality. That's why we all do Doordash. Otherwise, if you don't think their product's good, then you should probably not do Doordash, you know? But anyways, we all have the option of quitting. I'm very big on that, you know? You don't have to take a gig. So, if you guys don't know what they do, they basically decline everything that's under $7. Fair enough. I agree, you know? I wouldn't take anything under that either, you know? You gotta set the standard for the industry standard. However, there's so many people that are gonna take those crappy orders anyways, so do what you want to do. Whatever makes you the most money, like, that's what you should do, you know? Everyone should figure out their own little way of doing gig driving, because it's basically like you have your own business to a point, you know? When you finish deliveries, it's not like you obtain the business, you know? Like, you're not keeping clients. That's the reason why I say it's not really a business, but technically it's a business, so it is what it is. But, okay, so I wanted to talk about a thread basically in the DeclineNow movement. Someone sent me it. It's basically, okay, so we made a video yesterday on the drinks like not getting delivered, and I was like, that's a quick way for you to get it deactivated, you know? I thought there's no way people are actually doing this. I was wrong. I was very wrong. There's actually a lot of people that are apparently delivering cups empty or stealing them. Just filling up their own drink. Because, look, I get it, you know. This is in response to yesterday's video where I said you'd have to be crazy to deliver an empty cup because it's not our job. Oh my God, I'm at 0 miles, and good thing I'm pulling up to a gas station. That's what happens. You get distracted and you forget that you're supposed to get gas a long time ago. And then you just drive to Whole Foods and you forget that you were supposed to get gas. And fortunately, my car just let me know that it says 0 miles on it right now. Very irresponsible of me. Like, let's be real. That is very irresponsible. But hopefully we back in to this parking spot and I don't get jacked by another car because I am out of gas. Anyways, okay, so apparently a lot of people are delivering empty cups and a lot of people are just taking the customer's cup and filling it up for themselves. Here's the problem. The only person who's getting punished for that is you know? DoorDash is going to blame you. So if you want to get deactivated, go for it. Do that. Because all they know is like an empty cup showed up. So if an empty cup shows up, they're going to blame the dasher. They're not going to blame the restaurant because you had to fill up the cup. It's like one of those things. It's like a little thing, you know? It's like, it's not that big of a deal to fill up someone's cup. I get it. It's annoying. It should not be our job. I agree. I am full on board with it should not be our job. We don't like sanitize like a restaurant does, especially COVID and all this stuff. People are scared and like people want people with, I mean like I haven't washed my hands today. I don't know if that's weird, but I haven't washed my hands today yet. And I could log in and do DoorDash whenever. And if I'm handling someone's cup, it makes sense. It's not sanitary according to restaurant standards, so they should be filling up the cups. It makes sense. I totally agree. And I am fully on board. Like, I don't like filling up the cups, but I'm gonna do it because it's not a big deal. Just like putting away my own grocery cart after I'm done with it. I'm just gonna do it. It's not a big deal. If there's a piece of trash on the ground, I'm gonna pick it up. It's not that big of a deal, you know? I find that people who do all these small things generally have better work ethic and are better to work with at the end of the day. That's just my opinion. But again, like I said, I full on agree. We should not be filling up people's cups at restaurants because it's not our job, really. It's not. It shouldn't be our job, but it is. But it's not DoorDash's fault, it's the restaurant's fault. So what's the best solution to get the restaurants to fill up their own damn cups? What is it? I don't know. Do we stand outside of freaking Wingstop? Because the only place I can think of that doesn't fill up their cups is Wingstop. So what do? Do we organize a strike out of every single Wingstop, or how do you do that? Because in reality, when you deliver an order without a cup, the only place that's really going to hear about it is DoorDash, and they're just going to refund the customer for the cup. They're not going to start this whole like case like, oh, Wingstop, we've been missing. I don't know, maybe they will, but I don't think so. So I don't know. If you guys have any solutions on how we fix this. Again, though, for me, it's like the last thing I'm worried about. So the fact that people are literally going out here, picking up orders, delivering them with no cups, or delivering them with an empty cup, which is, I gotta be honest, that's like a slap to the face. That's like, it's not the customer's fault, you know? The customer has literally nothing to do with it. So you should not be punishing the customer. There's nothing worse than ordering hot wings or something and then you don't get a drink. Don't punish the customer. That customer gave you a gig for the day. Whether you like it or not, that is a customer who is helping pay your bills, you know? You didn't have to take the order. That's my opinion, you know? That, like, when I hire people and they give me, like, this ungrateful vibe, like, oh, I should be getting better, or, like I don't know, because obviously, like, some people come from, for example, in the circus world, some people come from Cirque du Soleil, and these people had freaking massage therapists and freaking physical therapists and all kinds of therapists and free stuff everywhere, and then they come and do my show, And granted, I paid them more than Cirque du Soleil would, but we don't have a lot of little things here and there, you know? So, when people complain about stuff, I'm like, you didn't have to take the gig, and I don't have to offer you another gig, you know? That's just the reality of it, you know? It is what it is. I just can't believe that this is becoming a thing where people are delivering empty cups. Guys, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't know. It just shows poor work ethic, in my opinion. Sure, shouldn't be your job, but it's not the customer's fault also. Unless you want to get reported in a contract violation, that's what's going to happen. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts and comments down below. I saw a lot of people that were pro empty cup leaving in the last comments, and that's fine. I agree. Like I said, I agree. It shouldn't be our job, but it is. So, it is what it is. But if you guys are delivering empty cups, I would probably go along the lines of saying that would lose a little bit of my respect. You know? It totally would. Because it's not that big of a deal to just fill up a cup. And how often do you do it? Like, once every 4 or 5 days you go to one of those restaurants that doesn't fill it up? Almost every restaurant fills up their cup. So it's like, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, alright, I'm going to wrap up today's video right here. We got 0 miles. Check this out. 0. That's a blurry 0. Anyways, let me know your guys' thoughts and comments down below. Have you guys done an empty cup delivery? Let me know. I'm not going to do that, though. I'm not participating in this bullshit. I think it's entertaining, though. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button. Go to my website, offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. Get yourself some skate shoes. These shoes are dope. The all black skate shoes, especially like the low tops, great for dressing up or something. You know, like personally right now, I got my, there we go. I got the low tops on. Works great with like a going out outfit or something. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.